Hello, kids! Welcome to Vocabulary by Planet Spark YouTube channel.
What's in my school bag? Vocabulary quiz. Hey, kids! Can you guess what's inside my school bag? Let's play a fun guessing game. Are you ready? Say yeah! Question 1. I am long and used to write. What am I? Spoon, pencil, ball. It's a pencil! Yay! Great job, superstar! Question 2. I have many pages. You read me. What am I? A book! Awesome! You're doing amazing! Question 3. I erase mistakes. Who am I? An eraser! Woohoo! Smart thinking! Question 4. I carry water. I help you drink. Water bottle. Great job!
Please like the video and subscribe my channel.
Fun activity 1. Clap 3 times if you got them right. Now say, I love learning.
You're so clever! Question 5. I keep your books safe inside me. School bag! Yay! You're on fire! Question 6. I draw lines. I am long and straight. Ruler! Nice! Fantastic! Question 7. Fill in the blank. I write with a blank. Pen, apple. Pen! Awesome! Brilliant! Question 8. Choose the correct one. Which one cuts paper? Scissors, pillow, shoe. Scissors! Yay! You got it! Fun activity. Touch something in your room that is blue. Ready? Go! Question 9. I stick papers together. Who am I? Glue! Super! You're doing great! Question 10. I am used to color pictures. Who am I? Crayons! Yay! So creative! Hey, superstar! Ready to show how strong your words power is? Ask Mama and Papa to book your vocabulary challenge below.
I keep your pencils in one place. Who am I?
Pencil box! Awesome! You're a star.
Read and guess. I have a zipper. I open and close. Bag or pencil case? Great! So smart. Which one is not in your bag? Book, lunchbox, elephant. Elephant. Correct. That was funny. Fun activity. Say all items fast. Ready? Book, pencil, bag, bottle, go, go, go. I hold your food at school. Who am I? Lunchbox. Yum! Amazing job. Final question. What do you carry everything in? School bag. You did it! You are incredible. Wow, you did such a great job. I'm so proud of you.
How many answers did you get right? Comment your score below.
To start your learning journey, click the link in the description. Choose your class, enter your phone number, and book your free demo today. Follow our other YouTube channel to help your child become a great speaker. Please like the video and subscribe my channel.